Okay. Great, great, great. Now, before I begin, I'm not sure if you guys know me or not, but I am Pragati Prasad, RCI licensed clinical psychologist. When I say RCI, my heart just beats faster because I don't know, RCI का मुझे लगता है RCI का जूता मुझे ही पड़ने वाला है. And I'm the founder at PsyQuench, and I have 10 years of experience in the field. And I welcome you all to the webinar on clarification of RCI guidelines as well as the career plans for people in graduation and people in masters. Anyone would like to open their camera so that I can look at them and talk? No? Okay. Before I begin, are you all aware of the guidelines that have changed? Yes, just do a yay or yes. Okay, great. I have circulated 3 sheets that are related to what we will be discussing today. One, I had already taken a webinar before, but that guidelines have apparently been removed from the page. So there are 3 guidelines we'll be talking about that. And this guideline which came yesterday, it's not a new guideline, by the way. So don't get panic कि अच्छा नया चीज हो गया नया changes हो गया. It's not a new, but yes, it's for some it's a bad news and for some it's a good news. Okay. Um, Before I explain, would you all like to shoot your questions? Just go with 1 word, 2 words. Do not go with the entire story because we have only 1 hour and I have a session at 9 o'clock. So, yes. What about those who are taking a drop here? La 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 la. Can I come back to the psychologist? No, no, no. Okay. Okay. So there are many questions. Now, what if I say, don't worry, be happy? Will you all be happy? I'm sure no, right? So this is what most people who are not aware of psychology will say that to you. Even if you're going through a depressive episode, anxiety, relationship problem, etc., etc., the first thing they will say, "अरे कोई बात नहीं, ठीक हो जाएगा. Why are you worrying about it? Just smile, forget about it. कुछ नहीं होता." But no, that's not true, right? We cannot be happy, and of course, we have to be worried about the future, especially for those who are just in the 12th standard or who are starting their graduation. So now, those who are in graduation and those who are in masters, I'll ask this question specifically to someone who is in graduation. What do you feel currently? Are you safe or unsafe with your career in psychology? First, I'll ask the graduation people who graduate. Unsafe. Okay. Those who cannot type and those who are taking time, that's okay. You can either do this or this. Unsafe, confused, extremely low. Okay. Those who are in masters, what do you think? Are you safe or unsafe? Okay. So a lot of confusion, lot many. So I have here 125 people, and I'm sure everyone has a mixed response and a mixed understanding of the guideline. And again, it's very normal. So please do not one rely on any other information. Just follow the PDF that has been shared. Once you start reading it slowly, gradually, you will understand what is happening. But of course, we know that there is something that you all have to obviously see a better future and better career options. Okay. Now, the guideline says, okay, I am discussing the guidelines. I'm not using any PDF or PPT here. Now, you all listen to this. Now, those who are from science background in psychology, they will be able to pursue a licensing course in the future. This is the guideline for now. Those who have arts in the 12th standard may not be able to get through the licensing course for now. This is the guideline. It is still an under discussion. There are many people in our side who themselves are objecting to that. So we will still have to wait for whatever is happening. Okay. Now coming to people who are already a graduate or who are pursuing their graduation in psychology. Okay. So graduation in psychology is ideally for 3 years, but for many colleges it is 3+1. So many people who joined their college, they were guaranteed that three, they will be given an option to pursue 1+ year. But now, because of the changes in the guideline, they have been told that no, you can't do, or we will not be able to provide you with any of the bridge course. Bridge course is 3+1. Okay. So those who are in graduation with psychology, if you have a 3 years, then you will have to go for 2 years. 2 years of masters in psychology, applied psychology, counseling psychology, etc. etc. Once you do 3+2, you will have to go for plus licensing course, which initially was known as MPhil, but now the term MPhil has been removed and the term MA clinical psychology is there. Now, why this is there? Because in most part of our country, many people were only after giving masters in psychology were practicing as a clinical psychologist. So that is why now everything is being standardized as per as the Canadian guideline, Australian guideline, and the US guidelines. Okay. Now, those who have done 4 years, now the college that it is saying that 3 years of graduation and the fourth year of graduation will only be considered if your college has an RCI. If your college doesn't have an RCI, you will not be qualified as directly going to MPhil or license. I'm not going to use the word MPhil, I'm going to use the word licensing course. Licensing will have your PDCP, Professional Diploma in Clinical Psychology. It will have your MPhil, which is now known as MA Clinical Psychology, and PsyD, Doctorate in Psychology. And the fourth year, the bridge course, will be 1 year of specialization in clinical psychology with research. Clear? Those who are currently doing masters or those who have finished their masters, they do not have to worry anything about the new guideline because you already have done 3 years of course. Now with 2 years of masters, you will have to definitely go for licensing course if you want to practice as a clinical psychologist. If you want to practice as a counseling psychologist, only psychologist, school psychologist, yeah, then you can go only with master's degree, nothing else. Now, before I take all questions, now the point here of why 3+1 is there. Now 3+1 is there because now those who are in graduation and those who have um, a degree in psychology, let us agree graduation में हमें कुछ नहीं पढ़ाते थे. हमारा एक्सपेरिमेंट्स क्या रहता था? Zygarnik effect, threshold handle करो, right? Star shape बनाओ. Now that is important. But do you think with that experiment and that practical thing, will you be able to treat a patient? With, let us say, you do some testing, with that qualification, with that experience, do you think you will be able to do your justification to the client? No. That is why जो 3+1 आया है ना, so 1 जो है that will be completely devoted to the practical understanding where an exposure to the client will also be given. ना आप खुद बताओ, तुम लोग की ग्रेजुएशन में तुम लोग को क्लाइंट भी देखने भी मिलता था, ऑब्जर्वेशन भी मिलता था करने? नहीं. तुम लोग को क्लाइंट टच भी नहीं करने मिलता था फिर. सो नाउ 3+1 इज अ गुड थिंग बिकॉज अब तो कॉलेज खुद बोल रहा है आप लो, आप देखो, बिकॉज आफ्टर दिस यू हैव टू गो फॉर लाइसेंसिंग कोर्स. तो 3+1 इज गुड. ओके. दोज हु आर डूइंग, मान लो 3 साल आपका हो गया ग्रेजुएशन का, देन यू आर थिंकिंग कि अच्छा ड्रॉप लेने के बाद मैं +1 कर लूं. नहीं, ये नहीं हो सकता. आपने ड्रॉप ले लिया है तो अब आपको मास्टर्स ही करना पड़ेगा. मास्टर्स मतलब 2 साल का. अगर आपका कॉलेज इज नॉट RCI recognized, this 4 years of no good in the terms of licensing. Okay, 4 years is good as a counseling psychologist with degree, great, with practice, great, but it is of no use for the licensing course direct admission. पहले बोल, अभी न्यू गाइडलाइंस आया था जिसने बोला कि आप 4 साल करके आप डायरेक्ट MPhil कर सकते हो, विच इज ग्रेट. आपका 2 साल बच गया ऑलरेडी, 1 साल बेसिकली बच गया. Are we on a good page now? Okay. Those who have done OB, OB वालों को इससे मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल है। आपको इस आरसीआई से फर्क भी नहीं पड़ना चाहिए बिकॉज वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में रिहैबिलिटेशन का काम कुछ नहीं होता। जिन्होंने 3 साल के बाद ड्रॉप लिया है, those who have taken a drop after 3 years can go for their 2 years of masters and then plus licensing course. So 3 + 2 plus licensing. Those who have done 4 years of graduation with an RCI under RCI college, they will get 4 plus licensing course. Okay, I see many questions are here about the gap year. अरे 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 देखो, don't I say, don't say the word wasted. Because when you're using the word wasted, why are we calling it wasted? हम लोग ने नहीं किया क्या? हमने भी तो 3 + 2 मास्टर्स किया, फिर ही हमने ना एमफिल किया. So it's not a waste. It is that you have more knowledge and more experience. So that you have to keep in mind. Don't compare your journey with the new guidelines. I don't know if you all know the history of RCI before. पहले आप किसी क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट के अंडर 2 साल काम कर लो, आपको लाइसेंस मिल जाता था. तो हमने तो भाई अब बोलो 8 साल की पढ़ाई की तब हमें मिल रहा है. तो ये तो गलत बात है ना. हम भी रोएंगे तो फिर कैसे होगा? So don't say that it's a waste. See it as an investment. Just a second, my battery is running out. Forensic psychology वालों को RCI you will not get because forensic का काम forensic का काम तुम्हारा rehabilitation नहीं है. Forensic का काम forensic है. Investigation of the criminal nature, etc., etc. Those who want to take a draw after graduation, ये बहुत क्लियर है. आप 3 साल के बाद ग्रेजुएशन खत्म कर लोगे, आपको 2 साल का मास्टर्स करना ही करना होगा. डूइंग इट फ्रॉम अब्रॉड, यस, इट विल मैटर. You can, after that, you can still do it. But your graduation should be from licensing course. Okay? Your college is not RCI recognized and now you're in the second year. Then if your college is saying that, चलो ठीक है हम लाइसेंस ले रहे हैं RCI से, great. If your college can't take that, then you will have to go for your masters. अच्छा, एक चीज मैं क्लैरिफाई करना चाहती हूँ. आई थिंक देयर इज दिस मिसइंफॉर्मेशन इन द मासेस दैट व्हाई डज द कॉलेज हैव टू टेक RCI. RCI has a particular guidelines, which means it should have a hospital or a clinic. It should have an inflow of the patients. So RCI is doing good thing here by telling the college that if you are running a paramedical field, why are you not providing patients to your students? You take any medical college, वो मेडिकल कॉलेज इसलिए ना क्योंकि पेशेंट्स है. So any courses, any college which is running without the patient, a paramedical course, तो ऑब्वियसली ना जो हमारे पास जो स्किल्स की कमी है, यू ऑल मे हैव फेस दिस थिंग कि क्या करें अब. इट इज अ गुड मूव बाय RCI. So this is something more advanced that now we are actually fighting for something जहाँ पे हमें ग्रेजुएशन में आप पेशेंट्स देखने मिलेंगे. MBBS के फर्स्ट ईयर में पेशेंट्स देखने मिलते हैं, आपको कब मिल रहा है? मास्टर्स में भी नसीब नहीं होता. So it's a good thing. अरे रो मत रो, it's a good thing.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are, Aditi.
Right. Hi, I am actually not representing the students over here, but the professor side
Oh, yes.
from one of the university in Pune.
Hmm.
And today only we were going through, I think I should just switch on the camera too, right? I think I'm visible too now. Yeah, so today only we were going through all the guidelines all together, and there were many doubts. I think it would address, if you answer my most of the questions, it would address a lot of things. So I would also get a clarity on it. To begin with, as of right now, we have a 3-year program running for BA. Okay, that is for one batch, and there is one batch which has just graduated. Okay, So that makes two batches of 3 years. Then there is fourth year batch, which is one of the batch is in second year and one of the batch is just enrolled. For BA, I'm talking about, right? So that is how we have three sort of patterns. One for like two for 4 year, one for 3 years, which is currently running, and one which has already just now graduated. We also have MA psychology program, which has a specialization in all the three things, which is clinical counseling and OB. So to begin with, our doubt started with the yesterday's like recent notification, which talks about that MA clinical psychology, which is MPhil equivalent, would now be applicable from the year 2025 and 2026, right? We are
Yes,
on the same page
yes,
still here,
yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. So there were many doubts again about what about the people who are who have just graduated, because as of right now no university is running bridge courses.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
So is it for universities to launch bridge courses for the academic year 2024-2025?
Okay. I am reading here
Right.
from the yesterday's circular. You all can hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So institute offerings, no. 4 years are not able to qualify. So this is implemented from the session 2025, 2006. So it is
Right.
saying that all concerned that, wait, I should present this so that everyone can see it.
See. Yeah.
Okay. All concerned that MA Clinical Psychology for 2 years duration will be implemented from academic session 2025-26. Okay. Which means it is saying that your MA Clinical Psychology, जो MPhil है, जो MPhil पहले नाम से था, अब MPhil का जो नाम चेंज होके MA हो गया है, that it is saying कि जो MA Clinical Psychology है वो आपका 25-26 it will be applicable. MA Clinical Psychology. So
Right. So
those who
I
are
we
currently doing
right.
it, they will have to go through MPhil. अभी जो अभी तक चल रहा है 2024 वाले में, जिसका अभी एडमिशन स्टार्ट हो रहा है.
नहीं, तो जो बच्चे हैं जो अभी पास आउट हुए हैं, मतलब जिनका ग्रेजुएशन खत्म हुआ है ईयर 2024 में,
हाँ.
टेक्निकली if they do a 1 year bridge course, would they be eligible for MA clinical psychology?
Yes. Why? Because ब्रिज कोर्स करते करते उनका 25 हो जाएगा.
हाँ 25-20 हाँ
हो
24
जाएगा.
25 उनका academic year रहेगा, and then
हाँ.
they would be eligible to begin from MA clinical psychology, which
Yes.
is MPhil equivalent, right?
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Only if your college and if the college has that bridge course of RCI.
No, but then this bridge course
Is
again would
not
need a
offered by
RCI.
anyone. Hmm.
This bridge course would need RCI certification, like
Yes.
approval.
License.
The college
Yes.
would need approval.
Yes. वो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ना. Those who already have a 4 years, they don't need to seek any permission from RCI.
No, my concern is where it is written that this bridge course can only be offered by RCI approval.
Just a second. Um, Students who have already enrolled UGC as per choice-based credit system are eligible to pursue 4 years under the graduation program. Either it could be online course. So RCI anyways does not have any online course. So they can go for the bridge course. 1 year.
Right.
Only for 1 year.
So this 1 year bridge course has to be RCI certified?
नहीं.
Yeah, that is what when you mentioned, no, that it has to be RCA certified. It again raised a concern in my mind.
No, for direct 4 years, but not
Why?
for the bridge course. But that last year should be in specialization with clinical psychology and research.
Where is this written? Which notification is this?
I will find it. अभी मुझे याद नहीं है किसमें, but I have seen it. Okay, I will
Because
share that. I'll highlight that and share that.
also one of the doubt, this bridge course notification is the most recent one, right?
हाँ,
Have they ever mentioned bridge course earlier?
नहीं, never.
Never. So basically, they don't really have RCI don't really have a bridge course clause.
See,
पहले
clauses नहीं, RCI का bridge course का as such कभी course मतलब clause नहीं निकला है. The clause was only that a license is there only to to particular college who meets these criterias.
Right, they have given a checklist to be approved by RCI. That is for sure true. But then again, I don't know. See, we are academicians, and it's just a lot of brainstorming that we do before introducing anything. So it again created if I don't know, I'll just switch my camera because I have my diary in front of me, which I was just a second.
The 4-year bridge gap, I think somewhere it is mentioned that it has to be RCI. Let me find it. Because in the BSc 4 years, this publication, this notification says that one has to have 4 years ka thing. Then only they will be called as counseling psychologist. Then only they'll get a CRR.
We released a notification saying there would be a 4-year degree in BSc clinical psychology, and they said the eligibility criteria to be in that course for the college is to have approval of RCI. For the students to obtain that degree is to have science in 11th and 12th. So that leaves a big chunk behind of students who are majorly taking
arts,
humanities in 11th and 12th, and that is the crowd which opts for BA or BSc as BSc psychology in most of the private universities, okay, in India. Then to begin with, if these BSc psychology people, as of right now, it's only 2% of the universities which have RCI approval.
Correct.
Right? So for them to run BSc clinical psychology degree is not possible for this academic year at least.
Correct.
So
Correct.
any student who is enrolling into BA psychology or BSc psychology would have to enroll into non-RCI course, non-RCI 4-year degree.
No.
The
current new batch, let us say if they joined.
Yeah, but then जब इन्होंने नोटिफिकेशन निकाला है तब तक किसी भी कॉलेज के पास अप्रूवल नहीं है.
नहीं था. हाँ. That is clear कि किसी के पास नहीं है, क्योंकि बहुत सिलेक्टिव कॉलेजेस के पास RCI था, वो भी MPhil के लिए. BA के लिए तो BSc के लिए तो था ही नहीं. So हाँ, तो BSc का भी निकला, एंड ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारे कॉलेज का नहीं हो पाएगा. सो दैट इज व्हाई 1 साल उनको दिया है कि आप 1 साल कैसे एडजस्ट कर लो, एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर से वो हो जाएगा.
Next year से we'll have to apply for the approval and get the approvals, right?
हाँ, अभी से
my
apply करोगे तो
question is about the batch which has just graduated.
हाँ.
So are we allowed to offer that, like host the new bridge course and offer that to the just graduated students?
Yes, you can offer, but
it need not to be RCI certificate with RCI certification to the college.
You can still do it, but they will not be eligible to go. For here, the circular which was deleted from RCI talked about having a credit. So one needs to have minimum of 160 credit in 4 years.
That is for BA degree also. मतलब वो उनके 4 साल का जो क्रेडिट है पूरे LTP सारे मिला के, वो 4 साल का पूरा होना ही चाहिए. बट
4 साल में ये मेंशन नहीं है कि आपका 1 ईयर का स्पेशलाइजेशन होना चाहिए क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी विथ रिसर्च. ये कहीं नहीं लिखा एक्सेप्ट फॉर दिस.
ये है कहाँ पर लिखा? That is what
I'll find it. I've read it somewhere. अभी मुझे याद नहीं है, but I'll find it and I'll send you. You can send it in the group.
Pragati, can you just do us a little favor? Since you are in touch with I have not done my MPhil. I'm not interested in clinical side of it. Can you just share all the valid circulars on the WhatsApp group that we have just joined?
These are the three ones. एक तो delete हो गया था, वो मेरे पास है, but I don't think so that there's any point to circulate that. But one where it is written the specialization, वो मैं आपको, I'll definitely send that.
हाँ ठीक है,
ठीक
क्योंकि
है,
then it would help us to design that bridge course actually.
ठीक है, I'll send that.
Right. Thank you so much. It's
Thank
nice
you.
talking to you.
Thank you,
And to
thank
the
you.
students, we do
What
some
college are
valid
you from?
practicals and tests also. It's not that your BA degree is entirely invalid.
Yes,
Right.
exactly. That's what I'm saying. Don't panic. You still have the way. Aditi, what college are you from?
I'm teaching in Vishwakarma University, Pune, and I'm heading the department.
Okay.
So yesterday when I read the circular,
Hmm.
I got like 100 messages from my dean to
Ah.
figure out a way. And since morning I'm doing this, figuring out way around. Yeah.
Okay. Give me time. I think after the session, I have one therapy session. Uske baad, I'll definitely send.
Sure. Thank you so much, guys. Thank
Welcome.
you so much for
Welcome.
keeping up with me.
Welcome. Yes. Hi.
Hi,
Who's
ma'am.
it? Hello.
Ma'am, it's me,
Thank you.
Priyanshi.
हाँ,
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask one thing. जैसे I am at Lucknow University,
Hmm.
and मेरी university जो है, even though we were promised that we would get an option to pursue a 4-year
Correct.
degree, हमें वो
Correct.
नहीं मिल रहा है, even though like I have grades and everything.
Hmm.
तो अब जब मैं मास्टर्स के लिए अप्लाई करूंगी, which is in the academic year 2025, तो हाँ मतलब उसमें क्या मैं स्पेशलाइजेशन में क्लिनिकल ले सकती हूँ कि मुझे 4 ईयर की डिग्री लेनी पड़ेगी टू हैव अ मास्टर्स इन क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी, नॉट एमफिल बट लाइक पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन विद स्पेशलाइजेशन इन क्लिनिकल?
Post graduation with specialization you can do.
यस मैम, तो उसके लिए मुझे 4 ईयर की डिग्री ही लेनी पड़ेगी? कैन आई नॉट डू इट विद माय 3 ईयर?
No. You can do with your 3 years also.
Okay, so the
हाँ.
entire point of this MA in clinical psychology is to replace MPhil. तो ये बस उसका name
हाँ.
change हुआ, right?
हाँ, name change हुआ.
I'm
वो
so
भी
sorry.
मुझे
I know the questions are a little weird, but I just
No,
was
this is
so
a very valid
anxious.
question. I was actually finding the circular जहाँ पे MPhil का नाम हटा दिया गया है, बट वहाँ पे
Okay.
सिर्फ लिखा था कि MPhil is scraped out. So मैंने
Okay.
बोला वो अगर मैं डालूंगी तो और पैनिक हो जाएगा, इसलिए I did not put the circular.
So ma'am, just to wrap up what I was trying to say, तो जैसे for example मैं अगर CUET के through and बाकी entrances के through, if I go for MA in clinical psychology, that is masters in specialization at TISS or MAHE or at NFSU, if I want to do an MSc in clinical psychology, तो वो सब मुझे मेरे 3 year की डिग्री के साथ मिल सकता है, right?
हाँ.
Okay. Thank you so
बस
much.
वही थी, those who have 3 years,
Yes ma'am.
3 years हो गया, फिर 2 years हो गया, फिर licensing course हो गया.
Okay ma'am,
The
understood.
traditional methods.
Ma'am, licensing course की जगह we can also go for a PhD if we want, right?
Yeah, if you want to go into academics, हाँ, why not?
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, so I had a question. So my university is offering the 4th year degree, and I'm currently in my 3rd year. So I'm planning to do my master's in India itself. And now that yesterday's circular came, so I was under the impression that MA clinical psychology is basically masters of clinical psychology. So I'm just asking whether I should do the 4th year or not.
This 4th year can directly lead you to have a MPhil degree after this.
All right, but my university is not RCI registered.
I think that is also the question by Aditi also, that she said that 4th year नहीं है. जहाँ तक I know it has to be because BSc circular.
Okay.
एक मिनट, मुझे नहीं पता, मैं BSc circular के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. The BSc circular says that it has to be from RCI. Otherwise, what is the point? 4 years तो कोई भी दे रहा है.
Right.
But I will check with my sir, okay, before
All right.
confirmation. Sir who is in RCI, I will confirm.
All right. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. रुको मैं बताती हूँ कौन आएगा, because again there is a lot of confusion. I'll go with who raised hand first. ठीक है. So now I think Shreya is there. Shreya, you can go first.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
All right. So, ma'am, my doubt is that I have done my 3 years graduation from IGNOU, and this year I've taken a drop because IGNOU is like very late in releasing results and everything. So, as per the guidelines yesterday, like I don't know how should I proceed further with clinical psychology. first, and then I would ask you for counseling also. But first, tell me about clinical. कि next year masters और क्या करना है फिर?
3 साल का इग्नू से किया है, so now you will have to go for 2 years of masters
Next year.
and then licensing course.
Next year masters 2025 वाला batch.
हाँ.
And licensing course would be for like 1 year. Do you have any idea?
1 year PDCP का है, but the work responsibility will be limited in the terms of the documentation part. So you'll not be able to conduct some test and you'll not be able to give the reports to the patient.
तो मैम फिर बेटर क्या रहेगा, मतलब
MPhil या
मास्टर्स?
PsyD. Masters करके you can become a counseling psychologist.
हाँ, so मैम फॉर काउंसलिंग ऑल्सो आई वाज आस्किंग यू कि अगर हमें काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी के लिए जाना है, सो लाइक नेक्स्ट ईयर मैं मास्टर्स करूँ 2 साल का एंड देन आई एम डन विद इट.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Rutuja, you are next. Then Isha and then Ishita.
Hello, ma'am. Yeah,
Hello.
so I've completed my master's in clinical psychology last year. I'm also working as a de-addiction counselor at KM Hospital. Now, I don't know what to do next because most of my classmates have appeared for MPhil, but I did not. And next year तक वो मतलब degree हट जाएगी. So, what is the next option? Like, what am I supposed to pursue next?
डिग्री नहीं हट रही है, डिग्री का नाम चेंज हो रहा है.
नाम चेंज हो रहा है, but मास्टर्स तो हमने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है ना.
तो तुम डबल मास्टरेट होगी. जैसे अभी आई एम अ डबल मास्टरेट. वन इज मास्टर्स इन काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी एंड सेकंड मास्टर्स इन फिलोसफी इन क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी. तो अब किसी को मैं बोलूंगी मास्टर्स इन फिलोसफी में हूँ तो देयर विल बी, वो उनको लगेगा मैं फिलोसफी क्यों. सो दैट इज व्हाई मास्टर्स इन क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी.
Okay. And then after that we can go for a PhD or a psych.
PhD तुम अभी भी जा सकती हो.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
वेलकम. हाँ, ईशा मलिक, इशिता and then Kirti.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what about the students who are in their first year masters? Do they also have to do MA in clinical instead of MPhil and also
MPhil का
this
नाम
bridging
चेंज
course?
हो गया. नहीं, ब्रिजिंग कोर्स नहीं करना है तो, क्योंकि तुम ऑलरेडी मास्टर्स में आ चुकी हो. So those who have done their masters, you all are marked safe. Those who are in masters, you're marked safe. You have to go for MPhil. MPhil का नाम बदल के MA clinical psychology हो गया.
Okay. And those who have like 3 years degree and this 2 years master, then for MA clinical, do they have to do this course or not?
Which course?
This bridge course.
नहीं, bridge course graduation वालों के लिए है.
Okay.
3+1 के लिए वो.
Okay. And 3+2 जो अभी मास्टर्स कर रहे हैं उनके लिए नहीं है.
लाइसेंस को. हाँ, उनको कुछ मतलब नहीं है इससे.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Ishita, then Kirti, and then Milestone. Milestone.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, the thing is that जब पहले MSci वाला circular आया था, उसमें they said that you can either do 4 years का UGC recognized or you can do 3+2 UGC recognized or 4+1 UGC recognized. So I thought ठीक है that even if my college does not offer a 4th year, I'll do 3 years plus 2 years. And I have taken a drop currently. I just graduated in 24 from my 3 years degree. तो मैम प्रॉब्लम जो इस सर्कुलर से आई है वो ये है कि उन्होंने कहा है कि एमफिल का लास्ट इनटेक है 25-26 में, for which I am not eligible. Even if I start my master's right now, I'm still not eligible. And the main problem is that they wrote that the CRR number will only be given to those people. If you open the circular, जो newest circular है, उसमें लिखा है CRR number will only be given to those people who've done 4+2. They did not say that if you do 3+2+, मतलब they said that MA clinical psychology के लिए only 4 years people will be eligible and not 3+2 years. That is the main concern.
Because that is an unsaid thing. क्योंकि वो कोई नया changes नहीं हुआ है. Because those who have already done masters, उनका career थोड़ी ना बंद हो जाएगा. So for them it is still open. This circular is only for the graduates, not for the masters. तो इसलिए वो
I am a graduate. I just completed my BA. I am not मतलब I've taken a drop year.
ठीक है. So you will have to either do 1 year का course, bridge course, or you have to do like जैसा तुम्हारा plan था, which is +2+2.
So ma'am, agar like I mailed my college and they said that we are not planning any such thing. So
हाँ
is there any other way for me to do the bridge course?
नहीं नहीं नहीं
Okay,
this problem is faced by many other colleges, so नहीं हो पाएगा.
all right.
Okay, yes, Kirti.
Hello, ma'am. Presently, I'm studying in TY, BA in Modern College, Shivajinagar, which is autonomous and is affiliated under Pune University. But they didn't tell us any guidelines that they will be providing us a bridge course for the fourth year. So, what should we do?
उन्होंने पूछा नहीं, बताया नहीं, तो you first have to ask them that what is the status, because the new guidelines is that the college has to provide. ठीक है?
Yes.
हाँ.
If they are not, sorry, continue.
If they're not giving, then you will have to go for your master degree.
If we take master's degree, it becomes 3 plus 2 plus 1, right?
3 plus 2 plus 2. One,
for?
देखो, one भी है. 1 year is for PDCP, Professional Diploma in Clinical Psychology. You can still go there. वो diploma होगा. Then is your MA Clinical Psychology जो 2 साल का होगा, that will be masters. Then 4 years का होगा PDCP. Sorry, 4 year का होगा PsyD. तो आपको ये करना, अगर आपका कॉलेज नहीं दे रहा है, you can go for 3 plus 2 plus 1 or 3 plus 2 plus 2 or 3 plus 2 plus 4.
And if they offer bridge course,
then you will have to go for 4 plus 2. मतलब अभी जो bridge course कर लिया plus 2 years.
that 2 years will be masters.
हाँ, masters in clinical psychology.
And after that, we can directly apply for PhD or we can start practicing.
तुम्हें अगर PhD करना है तो तुम्हें इससे कोई मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए RCI के गाइडलाइन से. बिकॉज PhD में आपको बेसिक मास्टर्स करना है, वो 3 plus 2 आपको करना होगा.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Lavanya. Oh, those who are leaving, don't leave. By the end of the webinar, I have things to introduce.
To disturb mom. Actually, I was in the queue, but somehow
गलती से हो गया मेरे से, so sorry.
So ma'am, actually my question is कि मैंने मास्टर्स कराया है अभी 2024 में, मेरा फिनिश हुआ है. तो मेरा जो बैचलर्स है ना, वो साइकोलॉजी में नहीं है, नॉन साइकोलॉजी का है. तो अभी ये गाइडलाइन में ये है कि ग्रेजुएशन में साइकोलॉजी कंपलसरी है, वन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. तो मैम अभी मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, मतलब लाइक अब एमफिल मेरा नहीं पॉसिबल हो पाएगा क्या, क्योंकि मैंने एमफिल की वजह से ही मैंने मास्टर्स करा था साइकोलॉजी में.
नहीं, then MPhil will be difficult as per the guideline which is now no more present on the website. ठीक है, तो अभी वो वेबसाइट पे है नहीं, तो अभी कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज अभी कोई न्यू सर्कुलर हुआ नहीं. जो पहला गाइडलाइन आया था उसमें लिखा था कि आपका ग्रेजुएशन होना चाहिए.
ओके. और मैम एक डाउट और है, लाइक अभी मेरा मास्टर्स हो गया है, तो अगर मैं काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजिस्ट की तरह वर्क करती हूँ, तो मैं लाइक अपना एक क्लिनिक ओपन नहीं कर सकती एज अ काउंसलर, राइट?
कर सकते हो बिकॉज इंडिया में भी उतना रेगुलेटरी बॉडी नहीं है जो आपको मना कर सके.
ओके. थैंक यू मैम.
Welcome. With PhD, you do not need any license because PhD academic courses होता है, RCI rehabilitation होता है. ठीक है, लावण्या, ऋतुजा, देन सौरभ, ऋतु. हाँ, चलो लावण्या विज. ओके, ऋतुजा पंचाल.
मैम सॉरी, अभी तो ये था कि आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय मास्टर्स और मैं वर्किंग भी हूँ, तो डबल मास्टर्स डिग्री अभी आपने मुझे बोला, वो अभी 2 साल बाद भी हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं या फिर वो हो जाएगा कि आपने ड्रॉप लिया हुआ है या
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, आप बाद में भी कर सकते हो.
थैंक यू मैम.
हाँ, सौरभ से ना, एंड देन ऋतु.
Hello ma'am, good evening ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, just want to ask you, like I am from non-psychology background, and I am totally interested in to do MPhil in clinical psychology, but according to like recently latest guideline, we can't do MPhil after 2026. So what should we do after that?
आप एमफिल कर फॉर यू. अभी भी जो न्यू गाइडलाइन आया था ना, वो आरसीआई की वेबसाइट से हटा दिया गया है. अब जब वो हटा दिया गया तो वो गाइडलाइन तो वैलिड ही नहीं है.
तो अभी जो नॉन साइकोलॉजी बैकग्राउंड के हैं इन ग्रेजुएशन दे कैन स्टिल डू एमफिल।
बट मैम वो तो 2026 के बाद तो हम लोग अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हैं ना।
क्यों? अभी तक कोई गाइडलाइन ही नहीं है इसका। गाइडलाइन था, वो हट गया है। जब वो हट ही गया तो वो वैलिड नहीं होगा ना।
तो कब तक हम लोग मतलब 26 में भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं या
हाँ हाँ
27?
हाँ
तो
देखो, करने को तो कर सकते हो बट आरसीआई का कोई भरोसा नहीं है, फिर वो नया गाइडलाइन ला दे। ठीक है, फिर वो आज के 2 महीने बाद फिर ला दे कि बोले लो एक और नया गाइडलाइन ला दिया हमने।
तो मैम हम लोग ये जो नया नाम रखा है वो एमए साइकोलॉजी वो मुझे करना पड़ेगा।
एमए
ऐसे तो
क्लिनिकल
रहेगा नहीं।
साइकोलॉजी ही एमफिल है। एमफिल का नाम बदल दिया गया है एमए क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी से।
ओके मैम तुम
हाँ
ओके मैम।
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Lavanya. Am I
हाँ
audible?
यस यस।
Yeah. So I'm currently in my fourth year and I'm pursuing applied psychology. And I'm kind of interested in pursuing post-graduation in organizational psychology. So my question is, so for that I have to do 4+2, right?
हाँ
Or
हाँ हाँ, तुम्हें 4+2 करना होगा। नहीं, तुम
okay.
3+2 भी कर सकती हो। तुम्हारे
But
लिए सर्कुलर नहीं है, जिनको ओ भी करना है उनके लिए सर्कुलर है ही नहीं।
no, actually I'm currently like pursuing fourth year for that matter.
हाँ तो फिर आप तो कर ही सक, अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि तुम 4th ईयर में हो।
Okay, so then I should not worry about RCI then and also MA
नहीं अब
clinical, right?
नहीं, तुम सो सकती हो आराम से।
Okay, thank you so much.
वेलकम वेलकम। रितु followed by Shobha and Bhavya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I have done MS in child psychology specialization,
ठीक है
and I have diploma in rehabilitation psychology also, which I have done in 2012
ठीक है।
from Vision Institute, Delhi.
हम्म,
Am I eligible to conduct assessment like IQ test or other evaluation?
No, you need to have MPhil, which is MA Clinical Psychology,
Okay.
and or PD, PsyD, Doctorate in Psychology.
But my Vision Institute जो head थे उन्होंने बोला कि you have done in 2012 before 2014. Before that it was rule कि your degree is just like MPhil in psychology rehab.
But did you renew your CRE?
No, I'm
हाँ
planning to do it.
हाँ, तो फिर जब आप रिन्यू करोगे तब, क्योंकि फिर आपका लाइसेंस एक्सपायर हो गया। एवरी
Yes,
5 years you have to। हाँ तो वो
yes.
रिन्यू करने के बाद आप कर सकते हो।
Okay. Thank you.
वेलकम वेलकम। शोभा, भव्य, सोनिया,
Yeah,
खुशबू। यस।
yeah, ma'am. Myself, graduate in science, basically chemistry, physics, maths, and all. And I was as a teacher. Then I shifted to this line. And so I did my MA psychology. I'm finishing this year, waiting for the result from IGNU. MA psychology, basically from specialization in clinical psychology. Now it's IGNU, so it's online and all that, right? Now I want to understand, like, since I have heard everything, so MA psychology again, in clinical psychology, I have to pursue to go into further into this line, right?
What if you want to go for clinical?
Means I'm almost finishing my MA psychology, clinical psychology from IGNU this year. This June I have finished my exams and all, right? So now to be in this clinical line, I have to do either diploma, 1 year diploma, or 2 years MA clinical psychology. Again, you said 2 others, what I have understood.
No, you will have to do 2 years of clinical psychology, मतलब MPhil करना होगा, क्योंकि आपने ग्रेजुएशन 4 साल का तो नहीं किया ना।
नहीं, 3 years science का है, and then I have 2 years MA psychology, clinical psychology, right?
फिर से आपको लाइसेंसिंग कोर्स करना होगा 2 साल का।
हाँ, सो ये जो 2 साल के जो लाइसेंसिंग कोर्स है, ये तो फिर सिलेक्टेड यूनिवर्सिटी से या सब RCI वाले ही करने पड़ेंगे?
हाँ हाँ, बिकॉज RCI का ही है।
ओके। और अदरवाइज 1 साल का डिप्लोमा is also for doing this practice. I mean practice in the sense
PDCP करना है।
so assessment वगैरह कर सकते हैं क्या उसमें वो
नहीं
कोर्स
कर
करने के बाद
सकते,
1 साल
नहीं
के?
कर सकते, नहीं।
ओके, so all right, thank you ma'am.
ओके ओके। भव्य, खुशबू
Yes,
एंड
ma'am.
कैम।
Am I audible?
यस।
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my name is Bhavya Soni, and
Okay.
I don't have psychology in 10 plus 2. I don't have psychology in my bachelor degree, but I
हम्म
am currently pursuing my master's degree in psychology from IGNOU. मैंने 2024 जनवरी बैच में एडमिशन लिया है. ओके.
ठीक है
एंड हाँ जी, एंड मेरा जो अभी दिसंबर में फर्स्ट ईयर के एग्जाम्स हो जाएंगे, फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर के फर्स्ट ईयर में मतलब नेक्स्ट ईयर के दिसंबर में मेरे सेकेंड ईयर के एग्जाम्स हो जाएंगे. 2026 में मेरे को
हम्म
डिग्री मिलेगी. सो
हम्म
एक्चुअली मैं क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी के लिए मास्टर्स किया था, बट अभी ये सारी मतलब कंफ्यूजन्स हो रही हैं आरसीआई की गाइडलाइंस की. उसमें लिखा है कि एमफिल का नाम चेंज करके एमए क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी कर दिया, और उसके एलिजिबिलिटी में ये लिखा है कि बैचलर डिग्री और मास्टर डिग्री दोनों ही साइकोलॉजी में होना चाहिए. तो इसमें फिर मैं मतलब जैसे 2026 में मेरे को डिग्री मिलेगी, तो 2026 में मैं एलिजिबल हूँ एडमिशन लेने के लिए इन एमए क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी और नॉट.
यस यस वी आर.
ओके. तो उधर लेकिन एलिजिबिलिटी में जो अभी आया है उसमें तो बैचलर डिग्री भी लिखा है. सो
वो
फिर
लिखा है
ऑब्जेक्शन तो
बैचलर इन साइकोलॉजी फॉर 4 years. वो डायरेक्टली जा सकते हैं एमए क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी में.
ओके.
हाँ
एंड जो 3 इयर्स वाले हैं और वो 2 इयर्स का करके फिर जा सकते हैं एमए क्लिनिकल
हाँ
साइकोलॉजी.
हाँ.
ओके. एंड मुझे ये पूछना था जैसे क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी और रिहैबिलिटेशन साइकोलॉजी, तो
हम्म
रिहैबिलिटेशन साइकोलॉजी में तो ऐसा कुछ गाइडलाइंस नहीं है ना कि अभी कुछ
नहीं
चेंजेस ऐसा कुछ,
नहीं
तो एमफिल हम उसमें भी कर सकते हैं
हाँ
रिहैबिलिटेशन
हाँ
साइकोलॉजी में.
हाँ.
ओके. एंड मुझे पूछना था एमफिल क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी और रिहैबिलिटेशन साइकोलॉजी, तो मतलब दोनों का नेचर ऑफ जॉब मतलब क्या है, मतलब दोनों का स्कोप
वो
दोनों
बाद में
सिमिलर है.
वो बाद में. अभी सिर्फ गाइडलाइन से पर्टेनिंग. ठीक है.
ओके मैम. ओके.
हाँ.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
वेलकम. सॉरी मैं जल्दी जल्दी कर रही हूँ बिकॉज हैव टू रश आल्सो. हाँ. खुशबू सैमी बिशिका.
Good evening, ma'am.
गुड इवनिंग.
There was a notification of RCI which stated about particularly BSc clinical psychology course that is of 4 years.
यस.
That particular notice was about that if someone has pursued BSc clinical psychology that is of 4 years, he has to he will be falling under the category of counseling psychologist, right?
Hmm.
And that requires CRR as well. So which means that counseling psychologist should have a license.
As per this guidelines, yes, those who have done 3+1.
Okay. 3+1, which means basically 4-year BSc clinical, right? So they will get license. But what about those who have done BA and masters, that is of 3+2 from humanities background? It's not BSc, it's BA. Will they get a license for being a counseling psychologist?
No. For that, for counseling psychologist, your association, I'm sorry to say, but your association is not doing anything for that. So the association needs to do something to get you a license. तो अभी सिर्फ RCI is only providing license to clinical psychologists, तो उनको ही मिलेगा.
So basically providing to only science stream after
No.
bachelor.
हाँ, after bachelor's नहीं. साइंस बैकग्राउंड का सिर्फ 4 years का बोल रहा है. It is only saying BSc in clinical psychology. Those who have done BA 3 years, MA 2 years, they can still go for licensing course.
Okay.
आप मतलब if you have now MA, you can go for licensing course.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome. हाँ, Sammy.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Hi, ma'am. Right now I'm doing BA program and I'm in third year, but I'm having my psychology paper in all 3 years. So what steps should I take next to get a license?
You are in third year.
Yeah.
If your college is providing a bridge course of 1 year, with that course, you can directly go for 2 years of licensing course. But if your college is not providing that licensing for bridge course, then you have to go for 2 years of masters and then 2 years of licensing.
Ma'am, it doesn't have any problem with BA program, no? That I have to do BA honors in psychology or anything.
नहीं. अगर आप 3+2 के लिए जा रहे हो तो आप BA से लो या BSc से लो, नहीं फर्क पड़ता.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. ये हो गया बिशिका. श्रेया सहगल.
Hi ma'am. So ma'am, I wanted to ask like one more question. If I go for counseling psychology, so after my masters, like I will not be getting the license as a counseling psychologist.
नहीं.
But the people who are doing BSc clinical psychology, तो उनको license या counseling भी करते हैं, तो ये they would be getting their license after the BSc, right?
Yes.
So that is kind of unfair, but ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Also ma'am, like
It's not unfair because the kind of training that they will get will be more intensive than people who are only doing 3+2. तो 4 साल में को वो वाला ट्रेनिंग दे देंगे.
all right. Also ma'am, if I do like 1 year PG diploma from any university, तो उसका consider होगा as a bridging course?
नहीं, that particular college has to provide you.
तो इग्नू तो मैम नहीं प्रोवाइड करेगा, मेरे को
हाँ
जितना
हाँ,
लग
तो
रहा है.
फिर आपको फिर 3+2 करना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा, all right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vishika.
Yeah, so I was asking that I'm currently pursuing BA Applied Psychology Honors, which is of 4 years, and I'm in my 2nd year. So can you please guide me for further? What should I do?
मतलब what do you want to do?
Like I want to pursue clinical psychology forward. So what is the other steps?
So you already in the 2nd year, तो आपको पूरा 4 साल का कोर्स खत्म करना होगा. And after finishing the 4 years of course, you will have to go for your 2 years of masters in clinical psychology. That will fetch you a license.
Okay. And if the university is not RCI licensed, then also it's the same?
It's valid.
Okay.
Then Siddhi, Pratishtha and Astha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, like I completed my graduation of 3 years now. So I had psychology as my minor subject. तो मतलब वो psychology background consider किया जाएगा क्योंकि मैंने as a optional subject उसको 2 साल पढ़ा है 3 साल
उसमें देखो
में.
क्रेडिट, NEP बोलता है क्रेडिट. अगर आपके
Credit
पास इतना क्रेडिट है तो आप कर सकते हो.
Okay, like I had in my 3 years, I had like per paper of psychology in my 4 semesters. Apart from like 6 semesters. तो फिर वो नॉन साइकोलॉजी बैकग्राउंड कंसिडर किया जाएगा या फिर वो साइकोलॉजी में एंड कंसिडर किया जाएगा ताकि मैं आगे
तुम्हारा फोर्थ ईयर में है क्या क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी?
नहीं मैम, एक्चुअली आई डिड माय ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, तो कोई ब्रिज कोर्स हमें प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो वी हैव टू गो फ्रॉम दैट 3+2+2 लाइक वैसे करना पड़ेगा. तो फिर जैसे आपने पहले भी क्लियर किया हुआ है, तो फिर वो नॉन साइकोलॉजी बैकग्राउंड भी वो एमए क्लिनिकल
गाइडलाइन हट गया है, वो गाइडलाइन हट गया तो उस गाइडलाइन से फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता है, ना फर्क पड़ने की जरूरत है अभी फिलहाल. बट यू कैन गो फॉर लाइसेंसिंग कोर्स.
ओके मैम, तो मतलब वो साइकोलॉजी बैकग्राउंड ही कंसिडर किया जाएगा अगर वो वापस गाइडलाइन आती है?
हाँ
ठीक है मैम. एंड मैम वो काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी जो होंगे उनको आरसीआई गाइडलाइंस, आरसीआई नंबर नहीं मिलेगा, तो मतलब हम कुछ टेस्ट अगर काउंसलिंग में जाते हैं 3+2 ओनली, तो हम कोई टेस्ट वगैरह कंडक्ट नहीं कर सकते, सीबीटी एंड ऑल दैट?
नहीं, सीबीटी इज नॉट अ टेस्ट, इट्स एन असेसमेंट, सॉरी इट्स अ थेरेपी. तो आप सीबीटी तो कर सकते हो फॉर नॉन क्लिनिकल पॉपुलेशन, ठीक है. एंड टेस्ट में आप सिर्फ काउंसलिंग वाले टेस्ट कर सकते हो जिसमें कोई डायग्नोसिस नहीं हो.
ओके. लाइक अभी जैसे अगर मैं एमए काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी करती हूँ तो मैं बाद में भी वो लाइसेंसिंग कोर्स एमए क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी परस्यू कर सकती हूँ?
हाँ, एब्सोल्युटली.
मैम थैंक यू.
वेलकम.
Hello, ma'am. Pratishtha this side.
हाँ प्रतिष्ठा.
Ma'am, right now I'm in my 3rd year for doing BA Psychology Honors. So my doubt, earlier I wanted to do 3 years of bachelor's, 2 years of master's plus PhD. So now since the RCI has launched this guideline, I was confused if I should do 4 years or 4 years of bachelor's and then continue, or should I do 3 years of bachelor's and then master's? Because
wait. I'll cut short and make it easy. You want to do PhD?
Hanji, ma'am.
This licensing RCA does not concern you because RCI का PhD से मतलब नहीं है. PhD is academics oriented. RCI treatment oriented है.
Okay, ma'am. If keeping PhD aside, because it is dicey for me right now, I'm not very sure about PhD. So keeping that aside, should I actually? I was already planning to give CUET next year. I'm passing out next year from my 3 years of bachelor's course. So since I had started planning for TIS, trying to crack CUET next year. So what should I do now? Should I continue with my 4 years, or should I pick up 3 years and then do masters?
You can continue with your 4 years and plus MPhil का फिर वो.
अच्छा. Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Okay. हाँ, चलो. Who's next?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, actually, I completed my graduation in 2021. Then I took a drop for 2 years and then continued with MA Psychology from 2023 onwards. So I'll be completing my post-graduation in MA Psychology in 2025. So what shall be the roadmap for me now?
You already have a plan for masters?
I have completed my MA. I will be completing my master's in psychology in 2025. If I want to pursue clinical side, then what
Then
should
you
be
will
the
have to
roadmap?
go licensing course. You will have to go for the licensing course. 1 year of PDCP, 2 years of MA clinical psychology and 4 years of PsyD. तीनों में से कोई एक कर सकते हो to get the license. Okay?
Could you please repeat? I'm sorry.
I'm saying either you can go for 1 year of PDCP, 2 years of MPhil, which is now MA clinical psychology, and 4 years of PsyD.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome. Astha, Manoja, Madhura, then Rashida, and then Akhila. मैं ले रही हूँ कि करके. Okay. मधुरा नहीं है. Rashida. Okay. Akhila.
Hi. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I'm there,
Hi.
Madhura.
Huh. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
हाँ
ma'am.
मधुरा.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. So, sorry, I joined in late. तो हो सकता है कि ये question शायद repetitive हो. But I just wanted to know कि इसके लिए काउंसलिंग जो लोग काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी में कर रहे हैं मास्टर्स, उनके लिए क्या implications होते हैं इस गाइडलाइंस के?
अभी तो फिलहाल कोई इम्प्लीकेशंस नहीं है. काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी जो कर रहे हैं उनके लिए कोई इम्प्लीकेशन नहीं है. बट लेटर ऑन अभी नहीं हो सकता है कल को बोल दे, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ लीगल प्रोफेशन. बिकॉज प्रोफेशन को प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए, स्पेशली पैरामेडिकल को प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए आपके पास लाइसेंस होना चाहिए. तो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड एवरी साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैज अ लाइसेंस एक्सेप्ट फॉर इंडिया, जहाँ पे काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास कोई लाइसेंस नहीं है. तो आज नहीं तो कल इट कैन बी एन इम्प्लीकेशन.
अच्छा. तो उसके लिए मतलब अभी फिलहाल तो कुछ ऐसे ये नहीं आ रहा है ना, क्योंकि मैंने बीच में सुना था कुछ रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर आने वाला था काउंसलिंग के लिए भी.
वो so basically there is one association which propagates or protects your counseling psychologist, but कभी उनकी तरफ से उतना कोई एक्शन दिखा नहीं. तो अभी तक कुछ नहीं ऐसा. हाँ. रशीदा का हो गया ना? नहीं, रशीदा.
Yeah, hi. So I just wanted to ask that I'm doing my BA honors in psychology. All my major subjects are psychology. Now, what is the next step that I'm supposed to take?
BA का कौन सा ईयर है?
It's my 3rd year. I'll be completing in December.
3rd year, ना? हाँ. So either if your college is providing you a bridge course, go
I'm
for
not
it.
sure. Okay.
If you are not sure, अगर वो नहीं देते हैं, then you have to go for 2 years of masters.
2
And
years
then
of masters in
master.
clinical psychology, right?
हाँ, और काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी, मतलब 2 year मास्टर करना है विदाउट लाइसेंस वाला. उसके बाद ही आप लाइसेंस, यू कैन गो फॉर अ लाइसेंसिंग कोर्स.
As in, so it is going to be like MA psychology, counseling psychology, and then again 2 years of MA clinical psychology.
हाँ.
That's right, no? Okay. That's it. Thank you.
Welcome. Akhila. Then Sajin, Hussain, Bhartesh.
Okay. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, so I have actually completed my 4 years of bachelor's in psychology, and right now I'm currently in my second year of master's in MSc in clinical psychology. So should I be going for a year of diploma or like 2 years of MA in clinical psychology again? Because I am already doing a clinical psychology
But
master,
आपके
right?
पास license है? Do you have a license? No.
Oh, yeah.
What is that movie? मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है, but like Hangover में. But did you die? Did you die? Do you have a license? No.
And that's the thing, like I'm already doing my master's and then 2 more years of extra.
अरे बस नाम चेंज कर दिया है, हमने भी पढ़ा है भाई, हमने भी आंसू गिरा गिरा के पढ़ा है. So it's more like MPhil का नाम बदल दिया, इससे और लोग पैनिक हो रहे, 2 साल.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome. हाँ, साजिन हुसैन.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
I have completed my master's in psychology, 3+2. I want to do my MPhil, but with JRF stipend, but I didn't clear my JRF as the MPhil is replaced with MA psychology, MA clinical psychology. Does MA clinical psychology course also have JRF stipend?
MA clinical psychology, they will not have GRF because वो research का होता है. But some government institute will have stipend for MA clinical psychology. For example, NIMHANS has it and Delhi University has it. No other colleges because all of them are private. स्वीकार भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं क्योंकि स्वीकार भी गवर्नमेंट है. गवर्नमेंट वाले देंगे, प्राइवेट वाले नहीं देंगे.
One other question is that RCI has introduced the integrated course of MA and PhD. If I've done my...
I've not heard of that. Please send me the circular if that is being introduced. Huh?
What, ma'am? I couldn't understand.
I have not heard of that integrated course of MA plus PhD.
That is professional diploma plus MA and PhD. We can exit at MA and then join.
That is not PhD. That is PsyD. That is not PhD. It is PsyD, and that circular has been removed, so it is no more valid.
Oh, that is not no more valid.
And it's not an integrated course. They said that anyway exit is possible. So that it's not called integrated course.
Okay. If I exit in MA clinical psychology, can I continue my PsyD after a year of gap?
Yes. 2 years ka gap, minimum of basically 4 years. Within 4 years of gap, you can continue your PsyD. But chances of admissions are bleak because they will always give preference to someone who is joining a fresh. So chances are bleak. I would suggest go for a direct 4 years.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello,
Hussain?
ma'am.
Sorry,
Ma'am, ma'am, what about those who are taking a drop this year and wanted to do their masters in clinical specifically? Then what should they do?
Those who have taken a drop from graduation ki masters.
Yeah. Like I'm graduated this year in 2024, and I'm thinking to take a drop this year. And
you would have to do 2 years of masters plus then licensing course. तो masters करना
तो
compulsory.
मैम लाइक मतलब मैं फिर एप्लीकेबल हूँ क्या फिर क्लिनिकल के लिए या फिर
You have to still go for masters and then only you will be applicable. I mean eligible.
ओके. तो मैम अगर मुझे अभी अप्लाइड में अगर एडमिशन मिल रहा है तो मास्टर्स इन अप्लाइड, तो फिर मैम उसके लिए कैसा प्रोसीजर रहेगा क्लिनिकल के लिए?
क्लिनिकल के लिए फिर भी तुमको RCI का एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा. The procedure is the same. You have to give a written examination plus interview.
मैम जो अप्लाइड से कर रहे हैं, अप्लाइड साइकोलॉजी से, मतलब मास्टर्स तो
सबका प्रोसेस सबके लिए सेम. आप कहीं से भी
तो
कर रहे
मैम
हो.
वो भी क्लिनिकल का कर सकते हैं क्या फिर?
क्लिनिकल में भी आप कर सकते हो. अप्लाइड
क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट, एज अ क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट.
To become a clinical psychologist, one has to go for licensing course. बिना license के you will not be called as a clinical psychologist.
तो मैम मास्टर्स में क्लिनिकल जरूरी नहीं है फिर?
नहीं ऐसा
ओके. थैंक यू मैम.
Bhartesh, Virk, and then Dakshi, and then Siddhi. and then Ritesh.
Hello.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, Bhartesh.
Ma'am, I'm really not interested in a clinical or RCA licensing, but my doubt is that I want to do a PhD. I want to pursue a PhD. What if
Hmm.
my research is comparing the IQ level of a police officer and a
Okay, wait,
criminal?
wait. Currently, we are only taking questions related to RCI. These questions I can do it later on. So this webinar is only for clearing the guidelines and masters future.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome. Vic, Puneet, then Dakshi.
हेलो मैम आई
हेलो।
थिंक मेरा भी शायद आरसीआई के रिलेटेड नहीं है डाउट
अच्छा,
तो फिर
तो बाद में
Yes, ma'am.
ओके दक्षी.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, my doubt is that, like, to become a clinical psychologist, if I do my 3 plus 2 plus 2 degree, then why the circular stated that कि जो लोग 4 plus 2 की ही एजुकेशन करेंगे उनको ही CRR नंबर मिलेगा.
देखो क्योंकि अब वो नया चीज है, अपडेट हो गया है, ये उनके लिए है. अब हम लोग पुराने लोग हो गए हैं, तो फॉर ओल्ड पीपल द इंफॉर्मेशन रिमेन्स द सेम. वाई क्यों है? क्योंकि
Like,
सी नाउ द हाँ
तो लाइक मैम अगर मैं 3 plus 2 plus 2 करूँ तो मतलब फिर उसके बाद लाइसेंस मिल जाएगा ना.
नहीं 3+2+2 करने पे.
ओके.
हाँ सिद्धि तेहलान, रितेश, सारा.
यस मैम, एक्चुअली मैम माय क्वेश्चन वाज जैसे आप बता रहे थे कि पीडीसीपी 1 ईयर और 2 इयर्स का लाइसेंसिंग कोर्स, फिर साइक डी 4 ईयर, तो मैम ये अलग अलग चीजों में अप्लाई होगा या फिर ये एक ही कंटिन्यू होगा?
पीडीसीपी के बाद एमफिल करने की जरूरत आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है. सो लेट अस से इफ यू गो फॉर 1 year ऑफ पीडीसीपी, द सेकेंड ईयर यू कैन हैव एन एमफिल, तो देन यू विल गेट अ एमफिल डिग्री, ठीक है. नाउ लेट अस से आफ्टर 2 years
अलग
यू
अलग
दिस. हाँ मतलब अलग भी कर सकते हो, 1 साल करके आप चले जाओ, बाय बाय. देन यू कैन कम आफ्टर 4 years सेइंग दैट मेरे को एमफिल करना है, ग्रेट, बट चांसेस आर ब्लीक. देन आफ्टर 2 years यू से चलो मुझे पीडीसीपी करना है, you can still continue, but the chances will be bleak for you to get in because there are higher chances people will take newcomers.
और मैम साइक डी का जैसे आप कह रहे थे 4 इयर्स का है, तो वो एमफिल में ही कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा आगे 2 इयर्स का?
अगर देखो this is if you have taken admission in direct 4 years, it is always beneficial, क्योंकि अगर आप 2 साल के बाद you will have to still again go for your interview, entrance examination, पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा एडमिशन. So you will have to take admission as a 4-year thing.
हाँ मैम, तो मैं यही पूछ रही थी कि जो लाइक पीडीसीपी में आप एडमिशन लेके एग्जिट कर सकते हैं, बट आप कंटिन्यू करेंगे तो आपको एमफिल मतलब एमए क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी मिलती है लाइसेंसिंग कोर्स. उसके बाद फिर आप साइक डी में लाइक अभी 3+2 करके आप डायरेक्ट भी 4 ईयर में साइक डी में एडमिशन ले सकते हैं.
हाँ फिर तुम्हारा साइड ही 2 साल का होगा क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास ऑलरेडी एमफिल है.
एंड अगर हम 3+2 करके साइक डी करेंगे तो 4 इयर्स का होगा.
हाँ.
ओके मैम. एंड मैम साइक डी और पीएचडी में लाइक डिफरेंस क्या होगा अगर हम करेंगे तो?
ये वाले क्वेश्चंस बाद में, डिफरेंसेस इंफॉर्मेशन इम्पार्टिंग बाद में, अभी सिर्फ क्लैरिफिकेशन, ठीक है. रिमेंबर दैट पीएचडी, एवरीवन रिमेंबर पीएचडी इज एन एकेडमिक्स कोर्स. वहां पे रिसर्च होता है, वहां पे क्लिनिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, क्लिनिकल वर्क बहुत कम होता है, ठीक है. रितेश, सारा, चंद्रा.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes.
So, ma'am, I'm currently in third year right now. Like, I'm pursuing my third year. So, I have a doubt that if my university doesn't like give us like a bridge course, so can we do it from other university or is university continue करना?
Same university.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Sarah.
Ma'am, like I'm from Amity University and pursuing my BA Applied Psychology of 4 years, like of research. So I am directly applicable for the Masters in Clinical Psychology after this, right?
हाँ. तुम ग्रेजुएशन मास्टर्स कर रही हो?
No, I am pursuing bachelor's right now.
And 4th
in
year
Applied Psychology Research, 4 years.
4 years. हाँ.
और मैम just for information, I wanted to know like masters in clinical psychology is different from MA psychology जो पहले हम करा
हाँ
करते थे.
हाँ वो डिफरेंट
Okay. And then this, I also wanted to know about the difference between PhD and PsyD.
क्लियर हो गया.
Thank you.
वेलकम. हाँ चंद्रा.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
हाँ यस.
Okay, ma'am. So there's a very small question. मैं अभी masters कर रही हूँ. I'm in my second year, and I was planning MPhil करने का. That is now MA Clinical Psychology. So MA Clinical Psychology hospitals में भी apply होगा. Like वो hospitals भी provide करेंगे MA Clinical Psychology.
मतलब हॉस्पिटल के साथ जैसे आपका एक इंस्टीट्यूट होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल संतोष मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल इज आर टाई अप. ठीक है. तो उनके पास पहले हॉस्पिटल था बेसिक. उनके पास सिर्फ मेडिकल कोर्सेज थे. देन रिसेंटली लास्ट ईयर दे इंट्रोड्यूस अ एमए कोर्स. नाउ दिस ईयर दे हैव इंट्रोड्यूस एमफिल कोर्स. तो यस यू कैन अगर उनके पास है.
ओके सो जैसे अभी मैं एलयू से कर रही हूँ अपना मास्टर्स.
एयू
तो
क्या है?
अगर
इलाहाबाद.
सॉरी एलयू
एयू.
लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी.
ओके. हाँ
ओके सो मैं एमफिल प्लान करी थी केजीएमयू से करने का.
ठीक है.
तो वहाँ भी अभी जैसे 25 में कंप्लीट माई मास्टर्स. तो वहाँ भी एमए क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी ही देंगे या फिर एमफिल ही
That you
रहेगा कुछ?
have to. MPhil is ruled out. MPhil का नाम बदल दिया. So if that hospital जो भी हॉस्पिटल का नाम बोल रही हो, if they have a license, RCI का affiliation है, तो yes you can do it.
ओके एंड व्हाट इफ नहीं है तो आई थिंक वो
वो आप
एप्लीकेबल नहीं होगा राइट?
हाँ एप्लीकेबल नहीं होगा. लाइसेंस नहीं. जैसे निम्हांस के पास लाइसेंस नहीं है. बट निम्हांस क्योंकि अपने में एक रेगुलेटरी बॉडी बन गया है. निम्हांस को कोई तोड़ ही नहीं सकता. तो निम्हांस बोलेगा आई डोंट वांट योर लाइसेंस. तुम जाओ जो करना है. मैं आरसीआई से बड़ा हूँ. है ना. सच्चे. हाँ
बिकॉज इंस्टीट्यूट्स भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं बट आई थिंक हॉस्पिटल्स में ये एमफिल करना लाइक दैट इज माय क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी. सो आई थिंक इट्स बेटर राइट?
दोनों का अपना एडवांटेज है. इन हॉस्पिटल देन यू विल हैव ओनली सेट पीपल विथ हुम यू विल डील. इफ यू हैव अ कॉलेज तो कॉलेज का टाई अप्स हो जाता है. कॉलेज विल टाई अप विद डिफरेंट हॉस्पिटल्स. देन यू विल गेट एक्सपोजर टू डिफरेंट हॉस्पिटल. दैट्स फन.
ओके थैंक यू सो मच.
वेलकम. चलो और वंशिका, तनुश्री, मीनाक्षी, याना.
Pragati, you were addressing something. You asked me to join again.
Aditi, just wait. Just wait. Let me just finish 4 of these questions, then
Sure.
we'll discuss.
Sure.
Huh.
Okay. All right. Hello, ma'am. So I have a very simple question. Right now, I'm a first year BSc Psychology honors student with research. So for clinical psychology, what should be my next degree?
When you say with research, मतलब 4 year है included.
Yeah, 4 year.
Then you can go for directly MA Clinical Psychology, which is a licensing course.
Thank you.
Welcome. Tanushri.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, ma'am. So I'm studying. I'm in my 3rd year of BSc Psychology right now. So my question is, suppose I plan to do my masters abroad. I'll do 2 years of MSc. So then I decide to come back to India and practice here. So then will I have to apply again for MA, or what is the criteria according to
When you say
if I do
MA,
my masters abroad?
when you say MA, you are meaning licensing course.
Yes, ma'am. I know
लाइसेंस आपको इंडिया का लाइसेंस आप इंडिया में ही लगाओगे. So even if you're out, anywhere out, you will still have to do a licensing course in India to practice in India.
So that will again be 2 years, right, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Minha, yes, Meenakshi.
हेलो.
हेलो.
हेलो. हाँ जी मैम, मैंने ना मास्टर्स की है साइकोलॉजी से. हाँ जी. तो मैम मेरे को ना हॉस्पिटल लाइन में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए कोर्स?
तो आपको लाइसेंसिंग कोर्स करना चाहिए. यू कैन, आई वुड से गो फॉर एमफिल 2 years, व्हिच इज एमए क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी ना.
ओके. जैसे मैम डिप्लोमा भी होता है आरसीआई से अप्रूव, तो दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या
डिप्लोमा
होता
के
है?
लिए फिर
बेस्ट
हॉस्पिटल
कौन
में
सा
नहीं
है?
अलाउ नहीं करेंगे. और वो अब डिप्लोमा वो पीजीडीआरपी में कर रहे हैं, वो भी हटा देंगे.
ओके मैम. तो बेनिफिट इसमें एमफिल में ही है.
हाँ, एमफिल ही बेस्ट बेस्ट अभी फिलहाल। हाँ,
Okay,
याना।
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Yana,
Hello,
Amandeep,
ma'am.
and Ritu.
Am I audible?
Yes. After Yana, I'll
Uh,
take Aditi, then I'll take Amandeep and Ritu. Huh.
so, ma'am, my question is, I'm doing my third year right now, BSc, and my college does provide fourth year, but it's not recognized under RCI. So, even if my college applies and gets recognized by RCI, will it be applicable to my batch because we got admission before it
हाँ
was recognized by RCI?
हाँ, इसीलिए मैंने अदिति को बुलाया था। एंड मीनाक्षी, इफ योर कॉलेज सेज कि यस वी विल कंटिन्यू, बिकॉज बहुत ऐसे कॉलेजेस थे दे स्टार्टेड, आई मीन दे प्रॉमिस दे विल प्रोवाइड, बट अब नहीं कर पा रहे बिकॉज ऑफ वॉट एवर द थिंग्स आर। सो देखो यहाँ पे सर्कुलर लिखा हुआ है ना अदिति, फॉर यू ऑल्सो। यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि the eligibility for admission of MA clinical psychology, which is licensing, will be BA psychology for 4 years of duration with practical orientation / research in clinical psychology in the last year of graduation. ठीक है? The institution university offering 3 years of UG may offer bridge course as per the public notice, but it is saying the institute offering 4 years may not require to seek permission. तो क्योंकि तुम्हारा कॉलेज अब दे रहा है 4 साल का, your college does not have to provide. But for Aditi's college, Vishkarma Institute University, they will have to seek permission. तभी वो बोल रहा है. Otherwise, it would have written.
There is a misunderstanding.
Aditi, please wait. Just a second. Meenakshi, is it clear for you?
Ma'am, it's
Yes,
Yana.
ma'am.
So,
Oh, Yana. Sorry. Yana, is it clear for you?
yes, ma'am. So basically, even though my college is not RCI recognized, but they provide 4 years, so I'm eligible for the MA program.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Aditi.
हाँ, तो to give you a little more clarity, अभी जो सारे NEP डिग्रीज हैं वो 4 साल की ही है, and CBCS is no more applicable. Almost all the colleges are following NEP, which is 4-year degrees, not 3-year degrees. But जो बच्चे CBCS वाले पैटर्न में एनरोल हुए थे, वो अभी 3rd year में है. ठीक है, तो there are 2 years running which is of NEP pattern and 1 year running which is of CBCS pattern, मतलब 3 years degree. तो ये केस अभी सारे कॉलेजेस में, क्योंकि NEP 2 साल पहले तो आया है. Getting the point? So for 3 years degree we have to design a bridge course, which I get that point. क्योंकि वो ब्रिज कोर्स के साथ ही एलिजिबल होंगे इस वाले एमए क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी के लिए. बट वो हमें सिर्फ 2 बैचेस के लिए रन करना पड़ेगा, एक जो जस्ट अभी ग्रेजुएट हुआ है, एक जो अगले साल ग्रेजुएट होगा. उसके बाद तो सारे 4-year कोर्सेज एनीवे आ जाएंगे पाइपलाइन में. Then there would be no 3 years course running because 3-year degree would finish totally. ठीक है, तो ब्रिज कोर्स डिजाइन होना ही 2 बैचेस के लिए, एक जो इस बार ग्रेजुएट हुआ और एक जो अगले साल ग्रेजुएट होगा. नाउ जो ये 3 साल वाला डिग्री है, जो हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी ग्रेजुएट, इन्होंने रिसर्च ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं ये
3rd year में.
ठीक है, 3 साल की डिग्री में डिसर्टेशन. तो अभी क्या ये जो आपने पॉइंट आउट किया था कि रिलेटेड टू रिसर्च इन क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी, वुड दे बी डूइंग रिसर्च अगेन? बिकॉज नाउ द क्वेश्चन वुड बी, क्या वो क्रेडिट इक्विवेलेंस हो जाएंगे? आप 2 बार रिसर्च कर सकते हो क्या एक डिग्री में? माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज नो.
We can.
We can do research dissertation twice in the same degree?
Yes.
So then again, are there any specific guidelines to design this bridge course?
हाँ, वो मुझे नहीं पता. वो RCI के लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा, या तो we will have to talk to RCI कि the college has to approach.
Yeah. See, that is the concern. Because अगर हमें इस साल ब्रिज कोर्स स्टार्ट करना है, अभी हम अगस्त एंड हो चुका है, ठीक है? एडमिशन टेक्निकली अगस्त एंड तक हो जाने चाहिए. So if we would run this, we would need another month to run a bridge course, right? Correct? So RCI कब आंसर करेगा, और जो सफर करेगा इससे वो 3 साल के बच्चे हैं जो इसी साल ग्रेजुएट हुए हैं.
देखो मैंने पहले इससे आई स्टार्टेड विद, अब मैं आरसीआई बोलती हूँ ना तो लोग मुझे जूता मारने आते हैं आरसीआई. See, I'm just explaining this, okay? I am still not a member of IACP, okay? I can ask people, I can ask my supervisor who is a part of RCI. तो मैं उनमें clarify
That is
करके
the
आपको
reason I joined this session because I thought that you would have a maybe better understanding or interpretation because it differs. Since I told you, I'm not from clinical background, तो हमारा interpretation अलग हो सकता है,
correct,
right?
correct.
हाँ, तो
See,
I
one
just wanted this
is that
clinical view.
yes, you can do research. ठीक है, जैसे हमने क्या बोलते हैं साइडी के कोर्सेज में 2 से 3 रिसर्च उनको कराया था which was a super specialization. So you
But
can
it is
have
side, no, it is
हाँ,
a master's के बाद वाली
but
degree.
it's a licensing course.
Yeah,
So
but it
the
is master's के
licensing,
बाद. We obviously consider
but see अगर हम उस लॉजिक से जाते हैं तो यहाँ पे 4 years के बाद भी हम तो आपको लाइसेंस दे, मतलब we are allowing you to come to the licensing body.
या लाइसेंसिंग की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं कॉग्निटिव लेवल की बात कर रही हूँ. हम बीए लेवल पे रिसर्च साइडी के लेवल का इंट्रोड्यूस ही नहीं करते हैं, वो मास्टर्स में इंट्रोड्यूस होता है.
So that is what it is saying, that if you want to work, like if you want to go to that level of licensing course, you will have to game up. Because आपको हम मास्टर्स नहीं करने दे रहे, which means मास्टर्स में आपको वैसे भी एक रिसर्च करना था.
हाँ,
आपको
तो ये
मास्टर्स में
इसलिए 4
दे
इयर्स के
रहे.
ऑनर्स डिग्री में रिसर्च करा रहे हैं. अभी जो 3 इयर्स वाले बच्चे हैं ऑलरेडी रिसर्च कर चुके हैं.
Now they will have to do either more of the practical orientation. For example, they will have to finish. देखो अभी मुझे नहीं पता because it's only the circular. The college will go there. It is the responsibility of the dean to approach there and ask ki, what do you want? Do you want 100 hours of clinical training or do you want us to do the research?
That makes sense. And somehow RCI is not giving clarity on बहुत सारी चीजें. There is another questioning with no, I know that you are not representing RCI.
मैं बोल रही हूँ आरसीआई खुद confused है. I'll tell you अभी निकालने के बाद 2 मीटिंग और हो चुकी है.
Very much. Like there is another point to it. Students भी जो स्कूल वाले होते हैं या जो फर्स्ट ईयर वाले होते हैं वो समझ नहीं पाते. बट अगर आप देखो तो बीए की 4 साल की डिग्री है या फिर कुछ कॉलेजेस दे रहे हैं बीएससी की 4 साल की डिग्री साइकोलॉजी. देन आरसीआई ने सर्कुलर निकाला कि आप बीएससी की क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी की डिग्री कर सकते हो. आफ्टर दैट यू विल गेट अ लाइसेंस ऑफ काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजिस्ट, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट दे हैव डन. Now the problem with that is the eligibility criteria is कि 11th 12th में आपके पास साइंस होना चाहिए. Now understand this. एक आप बीए डिग्री रन कर रहे हो जिसमें 11th 12th का साइंस नहीं चाहिए, फिर आप बीएससी डिग्री ऑफर कर रहे हो जिसमें 11th 12th का साइंस चाहिए, and then the other degree you are offering after it is a clinical psychology degree, MA degree in clinical psychology. So one is a science degree, one is a masters of administration degree.
नहीं वो सारी चीजें there is definitely a fault, but we will not be discussing those flaws right now. We'll only be focusing on this one. There is many flaws in that, and abhi tak meeting last month jo meeting hui thi regarding the same thing, because in India not many colleges have psychology in schools have psychology in their science in their 11th 12th. तो वो बच्चे क्या करेंगे?
नहीं, अगर 11th 12th में वो साइकोलॉजी को एज अ क्राइटेरिया नहीं बना रहे हैं एडमिशन का 11th 12th में. दे आर सेइंग कि आपको साइंस होना चाहिए. आप पीसीबी लेकर आ जाओ, आप पीसीएम लेकर आ जाओ. एंड जस्ट थिंक हाउ अनफेयर इट इज फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स जो 11th 12th में ह्यूमैनिटीज पढ़ रहे हैं और साइकोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हैं.
ठीक है, we will do the discussion later. ठीक है, that is only for 4 years of course. I think वो हम लोग फोन पे डिस्कस कर सकते हैं.
True. Thank you so much for addressing this, Pragati. This particular thing.
More clarity with what now the college has to do. What is the responsibility of the dean here? Give me time. तो message कर दूंगी. He is currently traveling. So whatever it is, I'll communicate in the group.
Sure. Thank you. That would be actually helpful. All right.
Thank you. Bye bye. हाँ, Amandeep, Ritu, George Varghese and Bhartish.
Hello, ma'am. Again, one question more. I just wanted to ask which colleges are offering 4-year licensing program for science students after 12th? Actually, my daughter is in class 12th and I want her to pursue this licensing course. So which colleges are offering?
She 12th, na?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ritu, give me some time. I will ask my team to do a research on this, and by tomorrow, I think they'll do the research, and I'll send you that on the group.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay.
George? Oh, no, Amandeep and George.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Just a second. Sorry to interrupt. Can I answer the previous question if that's possible?
What?
Can I answer the previous question if that is possible?
After one. You can type it. Type it in the group.
All right.
Amandeep is there in the group. No,
Okay,
Ritu is
fine.
there in the group. Yes. Amandeep.
हाँ मैम, तो मैं अभी BA साइकोलॉजी की 3rd ईयर की स्टूडेंट हूँ, तो मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर ग्रेजुएट होगी। तो यहाँ पे ऐसा लिखा है दैट इट विल बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड फ्रॉम द एकेडमिक सेशन 2025 टू 26, बट मेरा तो 3 ईयर डिग्री कोर्स है, तो ये मुझ पे इम्प्लीमेंट होगा या नहीं होगा?
होगा। ये यहाँ पे सिर्फ बोल रहा है MA क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी का, मतलब जो अभी MPhil तक चल रहा है। इस साल तक लोग MPhil का डिग्री लेंगे। 2025-26 में MPhil का नाम बदल के MA क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी हुआ। दैट दे आर पॉइंटिंग।
ओके, तो मतलब मुझे बैचलर्स के बाद डायरेक्ट ये MA क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी लेना है
अगर 4 साल BA कर रही हो तो।
बट मेरा 3 ईयर कोर्स है, मतलब मेरी कॉलेज
+2 करोगी तुम, फिर 2 पे आओगी।
ओके, मतलब इसके बाद मुझे मास्टर्स 2 साल करना है एंड देन ये MPhil का सिर्फ नाम चेंज हुआ है इन द सेंस।
हाँ, राइट।
ओके, तो मतलब अभी मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी RCI रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं है, तो उसके बाद मैं मास्टर्स इन द सेंस कोई भी गवर्नमेंट यूनिवर्सिटी में कर सकती हूँ ना, बिकॉज अभी मैं प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी में हूँ।
हाँ, उनसे उसका मतलब नहीं है।
ओके, एंड मैम वन मोर डाउट कि ये जो MPhil वाला है, मतलब जो MA क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी जो नाम चेंज होके ये कोर्स आया है, तो ये कोर्स करने के बाद मुझे RCI मिल जाएगा या उसके लिए मिल जाएगा? ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
George Verghese.
Ma'am, I'm currently doing my 3-year course in BSc Psychology. I'm in the 3rd year. So if I have to get a license, I'll have to do my 2-year PG course and then go for MA. Am I correct? So ma'am, by the time I go for MA, won't there be a clash between us and the junior batches because they're directly coming from the 4-year course to MA?
See, when you say clash, let us remove the personal agendas here, because we are doing that for our learning and our knowledge. Now, understand, very basic. Somebody who has 4 years of exposure, okay, and somebody who has 6 years of exposure, 5 years of exposure, who in the terms of the experience will have an upper hand?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And second thing, see, at the psychology is all about emotional maturity. Even if you have a 3 years of course and 10 years of course, these involve your understanding of the life. So somebody who is, I'm not saying that age is a factor to become mature, but yes, it is also one of the factors where your life experiences also teaches you something. So leave that aside and just go with now the license is there.
Okay, ma'am. I was just concerned about the seat capacity that will be available because when the clash comes, obviously there are many students applying for that, including our juniors.
Correct. So see, the clash currently the seats are only 14 seats. So when the 14 seats are there, we don't know who will be given preference. One preference is always given on the one who gets the score, and second is preference is jo backdoor entry hoti. That is the thing. But another thing is that now that RCI is propagating everything about license, they should now offer more seats. Then that disparity will be lowered.
Okay, ma'am, I get it. Ma'am, my second question is for the students of 4 years course, that BSc honors with research in psychology. How should they move forward after the 4th year? Because it's not RCI approved, the 4-year course. So can they go directly to MA, that is licensing, or should they do?
Yes. BA 4 years plus licensing course now.
Ma'am, I'm saying about BSc honors with research in psychology.
Yes. BA, BSc, huh? That clarity they have not given.
Okay, thank you.
These also needs to be clarified by RCI. Bhartesh and then Sanmitra.
Can I ask my question about PhD, ma'am?
No, not today, some other day. I have to eat food, I have to feed my dog also. This is only for RCI. किसी दिन
Sure,
निकालूंगी.
ma'am. No worries. No worries.
हाँ, I will come on Insta live and then answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. हाँ, Sanmitra.
हेलो मैम.
Hello.
यस मैम, मैंने ना एमए काउंसलिंग करके 4 साल का मेरा रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर का एक्सपीरियंस है, चाइल्ड थेरेपी का. तो अब हाँ, उसके बाद में मैंने 2 इयर्स मैंने इंडिविजुअल सेशन लेना स्टार्ट किया. तो मुझे अब लगता है कि मुझे लीगली जाना चाहिए. तो मैं अभी क्या करूँ, उसके लिए मुझे कोई गाइडेंस.
लाइसेंस कोर्स एमए क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी या
साइकोलॉजी और रजिस्टर्स जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट रहते हैं उनके अंडर मैंने काम किया 4 साल.
that is not valid anymore. You have to have your own license.
ओके. तो मुझे उसके लिए डिग्री लेना पड़ेगा अब, जैसे आपने अभी एक्सप्लेन किया वैसे.
हाँ.
ओके.
Okay.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.
प्रतिष्ठा नंदन.
हाँ जी मैम. Ma'am, I just wanted to ask if we can do 4 years of bachelor's and then continue with PhD after 4 years.
नहीं, PhD के लिए मास्टर्स चाहिए.
ठीक है. Thank you, ma'am.
अच्छा, हाँ, नंदना.
Hello, ma'am. So I'm doing my 3rd year in BSc Psychology right now. So after this, to get a license in clinical psychology, should I do a master's in clinical psychology itself, or can I do a master's in counseling psychology also?
You can do masters in counseling clinical. When you say clinical, it is not the licensing one. You can do PG.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Okay. So after that, if I take a licensing course in MA clinical psychology, I can do the PG course in counseling psychology also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yeah, Yana. Okay. Any other questions? Yes, Jasleen.
Good evening, ma'am. I just want to ask that I am from NEP batch pursuing my BA bachelor's degree. I am in 3rd year currently. So after completing my 4th year in bachelor's, what may I do? मतलब मैं clinical MA करूँ तो मुझे RCI लाइसेंस मिल जाएगा?
तुम्हें अगर 4 साल करोगे तुम्हारा कॉलेज NEP से उठकर क्रेडिट वाले में आएगा, 4 साल देगा तो ही तुम लाइसेंस कोर्स कर सकती हो, वरना तुमको 2 साल का PG करना पड़ेगा, फिर यू विल हैव टू गो फॉर योर लाइसेंसिंग कोर्स.
ओके, मतलब मेरा NEP दे रहा है तो अगर मैं फिर उसके बाद मास्टर्स कर लूंगी फिर मैं मुझे लाइसेंस मिल जाएगा.
अगर
Okay,
4
thank-
साल BA करोगे तो ही लाइसेंस का कोर्स मिल सकता है, लाइसेंस नहीं मिलेगा. यू विल गो फॉर द लाइसेंसिंग कोर्स.
यस मैम, यही वही मैं पूछ रही थी.
हाँ.
थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you. Any other questions? So who all are marked safe and who all are unsafe? So there are, of course, the RCI always brings these circular जहाँ पे वो discrepancy रहता है, and then they don't clear it. For example, now Aditi was asking कि, but where is it written? We have done 3 years of क्या बोलते हैं research. What do we do now? Nothing is written that we have to go to RCI license. So undertone बहुत रहता है RCI का, and then they don't do anything about it, and then they don't reply. Now everyone has to run after them. हाँ, Shreya.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
So right now I'm a BSc psychology student in my 3rd year, and I'm looking for master's degrees over here, as well as I'm looking in abroad too. So my question was, if I do a master's in abroad, which would be 1 year, because most masters in abroad is just for 1 year, they don't provide 2 years. So if I do that, and if I come back to India, will I be able to work as a counseling psychologist, or should I go for again a master's over here, because my master's is just 1 year in abroad?
You'll have to do 2 years of masters here in India.
Okay,
बाहर
and
से
if I get a master's for 2 years abroad, that is fine. Otherwise, I have to do a 2-year master's over here.
Yes.
And if I want to become a clinical psychologist, I have to come and do my master's for 2 years over here, and then the licensing goes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you. That's my doubt.
Any other questions? If there are no questions, let me introduce for those who do not whose college is not able to provide a 3 years of course, 3+ bridging course, and now they have to prepare for their entrances examination. So Psyquench is introducing, or no, we have had previous batches also, where we provide master's entrances coaching, MPhil entrance coaching, and CUT entrance coaching also. So somebody whose college is not like they have put their hands up कि हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, तुम अपना देख लो. So in that case, you will have to go for 2 years of masters. Okay, for that you will have to have an entrance examination. So you all can come to Psyquench for the coaching. And let us say you have a master's and you finish your master's, now you will have to prepare for your MPhil, which is MA in clinical psychology. Then you can still come to Psyquench for your entrance exams preparation. And CUT preparation is also done by our coaches. Today, okay? Great. So I'll take some questions now. I hope I cleared everything. Okay, no questions. For life, yes, milestone.
Ma'am, actually, I have a query about two courses, that is postgraduate diploma in counseling and guidance, and the other is advanced diploma in child guidance wala course. So I'm in क्या difference है? One is RCI license course and other one is doesn't have any license. तो आप थोड़ा मैम मुझे इस पे clear कर दो.
Go always for a license. Go for a license course.
Okay, after that काउंसलर की तरह वर्क करेंगे या फिर चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट जो एडवांस.
Child
Okay,
psychology.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. In short, to summarize, 4 year is not compulsory to get a licensing course. You can go for 3 years plus 2 years, then licensing course. Those who have a 4 years course in BA or they graduation, they can directly go for licensing course. In short, okay. Now the second thing is there that if anybody wants an any entrance preparation, always approach to us. We try to provide the best quality, so do reach out. Okay, I hope I was able to clarify the queries as much as I could. If you still have any questions, doubt, drop it in the group. I will try my best to answer them. Okay. Bye bye everyone. Thank you all for joining and giving your
Thank you,
time and
ma'am.
taking my time also. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
चल रहे बेटा, चल रहे, एक मिनट बेटा 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 बेटा. हाँ चलो 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 चलो. चलो बेटा, बहुत भूख लग गया है आपको. एक मिनट, एक मिनट, मम्मा चल रहे हैं.